Welcome to the IT workplace crib.
It's actually pretty cool. Show us around, Darrell. What are all of our amenities?
So you just walk through our front patio area, our kitchen right here. As you can see, it comes with complimentary knives. So this is a steak knife.
Ooh, what do you do with it?
Oh wait, you know what? Let's move on to the rest of the house. All right, let's continue on. Got Viking appliances right here. All right. Now, careful, watch your step. This is the child's playroom.
Oh, nice.
Right here.
For those with a family.
Don't remind me. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh.
As you can see, we converted the garage to a private living space.
Ooh, I
All
see.
inclusive,
With nice decor.
with a nice little bathroom right here.
Oh man, that is a neat bathroom.
Hey, Mom, you're gonna enjoy this.
Oh, I believe it.
Let's be environmentally friendly. Kill the lights.
That's true, because you know the IT team is really conscious about the electricity we use.
Come with me. There's a separate bathroom over here. Downstairs for our guests, as well as a living room area for you guys to enjoy yourselves. If we want to move on to the second floor here,
Okay.
you've got three bedrooms up here. I'll introduce you. We'll start with a smaller bedroom with a twin side, or what are these called now?
Bunk beds. Yes.
And patio access.
Ooh, where does this patio go?
Now, the patio goes to the outdoors.
Ah, I
But
see.
if you follow me to your right, it leads to Steven's room.
Oh, my room. Oh, neat. I like that.
Alright, you walk through here, and you've got your own little bathroom. One toilet, one bathtub, one sink, and 4 little bathrobe hooks, alright? Very
Oh wow,
detailed.
these 4 bathrobe hooks. I think those are coming in
That
handy.
cost me $50.
Huh.
Alright, you walk through this way, we've got really risque paintings, as well as
That's art, baby.
Allie's room. Shh. She's on the phone.
Hello.
You can see here, got your own little powder/study room.
Ooh, studying.
Hey,
The bathroom is the best part of this house.
the bathroom is the best place of this house.
Okay. Wow.
Your little jacuzzi.
Dude, this is already a huge bathroom. Can it get any bigger?
No. What? There's
Wow.
a jacuzzi in here?
Oh man.
Ridiculous. All right.
This
Let's
is-
leave.
Is this Cribs out at Kenny?
hey.
Oh, don't forget
Flexport
the closet.
IT
Don't
Cribs.
forget the
All
closet.
right.
Oh,
all
oh,
right. Let's
man.
show the closet.
This closet space, but
All walk in.
there might be monsters in there. I'm a bit scared.
But by the end of this trip,
Oh, wow.
Allie will have filled this with bags and shoes. All right. Follow me up to the roof, guys.
Okay.
Let's leave the queen.
Sorry.
All right. Now, it gets a little dark here, but I'll get some lights on this, all right?
All right.
Careful of your steps.
Ooh,
All right.
what's coming out
And
here?
is it another floor? No, it's rooftop access.
Wow. Where's
There's-
the rooftop?
Let me get you.
No, like, ooh. Either way, it's a cool rooftop. And I think this ends our tour. So beautiful. All right, that was a beautiful crib tour.